Let me find it.
Boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom,
Oh my God. At House Shop or Razi. If you're interested, DM me. Wait, too. Let me find you with this. If I you not man go tell Joe today. Joe, I still find you.
Oh yeah.
In there.
Which you find be that?
Your bunny, brother now.
Say no more. That one will collect my 2 million.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. That guy will collect my 2 million.
That guy, brother.
Yes, that girl. That my girl. You collect my 2 million. I said.
Get inside. Come on, go show now. Go show now. Go show now. See me, Anna. Don't be funny with this. Don't be funny with this. Now him.
You never see anything.
You go hear what today?
Wait.
You go hear what today?
Wait.
Joe ask her where is sister there? Where is sister there?
Gina.
Joe, wait.
Gina. Go by 2 million.
I mean, where your 2 million?
Come on, go down. Go by 2 million. Go by 2 million. You go call your sister today.
Call her.
Wait.
Wait. I want to understand.
Wait. Yeah, when no go fit come off.
Wait. Make her wait.
No, relax. No go fit come off.
Pull in shirt first. Pull
your
your shirt. Die. Pull your shirt.
Where your phone? You no carry phone. You no carry phone.
Oh, but you no go go here free. You no go go here
Oh, but you go
free.
call your sister. Where your phone?
Where your phone? You no carry phone.
Where your
You no carry
man?
phone. Where your man? No, that guy na my man.
That guy na your man.
Na my neighbor.
What they do?
Oh yeah, no, make me do.
Nah. My 2 million. Oh, but sit down here. Come on, sit down here. They laugh with you.
He says like B.
Call her.
But I got
See the
smart.
boy.
Come.
See the boy.
Let me carry the 2 million. Let me carry
You
your
go
2
call
million.
your sister.
That
Nobody
day.
give you 2 million. Go collect 2 million.
But I can't know this guy.
That day they ginger me. That day they ginger me.
Okay, 2 million.
My 2 million.
You know, you said the one buy here. You want carry 2 million.
Oh, boy. They won't carry my money buy this land, though.
Thank God say I don't see her.
See this man, oh.
Joe, if I
They won't carry my money buy this land.